Ji, Assalamu alaikum. I am Taqi Mohammad. I am the Chief Executive of SHAHTAJ Textile. And on behalf of SHAHTAJ Textile, I would like to thank the ESL team, especially the solar team, for execution of a very successful project. They were able to accomplish in very limited time the full scope of the project. And we are very satisfied. And now we have already seen that the solar panels and the whole solar system is working as it was designed and better than our expectation. We know ESL for many years. They have also been our supplier for gensets, and they have expertise both in the traditional gensets, and now they also have additional capacity and capability in the solar side. So we wish them well, and hopefully we shall be again looking towards them when we go for our expansions in the near future.